Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I am going to share my review of the TEDx Talk challenge or by Abia Heather. This TEDx Talk is about questioning old beliefs, challenging elimination and having the urge of think differently. Abia Heather explained that many rule and tradition and security are accepted without being questioned, but progress happens when people dare to challenge norm and create positive change. The speaker the speaker encouraged young people to believe in themselves and not let fear stop them from achieving their goals. She explained that every successful person faced challenge, creates and absurd, but they continued moving forward with confidence and between. One important lesson I learned from this talk is that challenge being with but if we want to improve our sleep or security, we must be willing to step out of our comfort zone and try new idea. Avia Haider also highlights the importance of education, creativity, and editing things. She motivates people to ask questions, explore possibility, and near stop learning. This TEDx talk inspired me to be more confident, open-minded, and willing to the positive risk. It taught me that challenging norm does not mean described other it means finding better way to solve problem and create approach. Overall, I found this talk very inspiring and motivational. I taught me to think differently, believe in my absolute, and work toward making a positive impact in the world. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.